Hey guys, we're gonna do a full face of viral TikTok drugstore products. We have some e.l.f. lip revolver oils. You know, there's always something in the hype, but we're gonna be trying that out. By the way, subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and let's jump on into it. This is not drugstore, but I think this is from Amazon. Green Tangerine Vitamin C Dark Serum Spot. It's supposed to be hydrating. We're gonna be using this as our moisturizer today. I had a few pumps of that. It does glide on just like a very extremely hydrating serum. It doesn't feel stingy at all. It doesn't feel like vitamin C. And it did the job. It boosted me and gave me the hydration that I needed. First is the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Skin Tint. It is supposed to be a skin tint plus vitamin C derivative. I don't know what that means, but it's supposed to be a serum-like skin tint. It has the perfect consistency, and this is like a perfect color match for me. $2.20. In the drugstore, it's kind of hard because you can't try out things in like CVS or Walgreens unless you go to Ulta. Oh wow, that's a big glop. Anyways, why am I putting so much on? Oh my lord. I'm gonna combo this up with the Trumatch from L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. It's just supposed to be like an enhancer. You can mix this with your foundation. I'm just gonna add a few dots of this on my face. That's how I do my combos when I'm comboing up a luminizer product with a foundation. I never mix it. I haven't tried mixing it. I gotta try some stuff more often. This melts perfectly, and look how glowy and nice this lays on my skin. I could see why this is viral. It doesn't feel like anything on the skin. It feels very lightweight, but it actually provides a perfect amount of coverage. I'm very surprised because usually skin tint moisturizers are not supposed to be providing that much coverage, but this provides the right amount of coverage. It is super easy to blend. This blends gorgeously into the skin, and it just gives a very nice, glowy, hydrating look. It's already a tiny bit of a glow, and this just made it even ultra glow. So, like a beautiful 10 person. 10 out of 10, both. The Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. This has been on the market for a very long time. Sometimes things just get back into the hype. I'm terrible at picking out concealer, like the shades. It's supposed to be like a lighter shade than your foundation, but I always end up picking a much lighter concealer. I love a good creamy concealer. I like medium coverage, but I want coverage. I've stopped using a beauty blender for concealers because it's like I feel like it takes away the product, and I'm really trying to cover up these dark raccoon eyes. I heard you're supposed to wait a few seconds, like wait a few, let it marinate into your under eyes. Okay, I'm done waiting. I have no patience. Okay, this is giving me a good coverage. I would just say medium coverage. It's not drying under the eyes. It's not super hydrating. It's right in between. If you want to get the best out of drugstore concealers, you want to use like a little brush like this. This one is the Real Techniques highlighting brush. I still see a little bit of dark circles, but it's not a lot. I would give this probably a 6.5 out of 10. Setting under my under eyes, I like to use the Beauty Bakery Flour Better Not Bitter. I feel bitter today. Always set those under eyes. For contouring, this one is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Stick. Supposed to be a dupe for Charlotte's Hill Berry. I don't know if you're gonna be a dupe for that, but let's try it out. Oh god, this is dark. Ooh, this is a shade medium tan. I'm not even a medium. Oh lord. I don't know how this is gonna go down. Boom, boom, boom. So right here on my nose, I'm gonna use a small blush. It's blended easily on my nose. Let's see. Okay, that was cute. And it's actually really good. Okay, it's blending good on the forehead. Again, I have a bunch of wrinkles, but it's actually blending out very easily, which I'm surprised about because I don't know why I'm surprised. It's e.l.f. Hello. It has a little bit of a glow. I love that. Moving on to cream blush. This moisture stick here. I don't know what in the world is the hype about this. It's the On The Glow Blush Tinted Moisture Stick. That's very weird. Why is it a moisture stick? Let's get to it. This one's in the color Juicy. And you can use it on the cheeks and the lips. It's sticky, like it's just sticky. It feels like this should go on the lips instead of the cheeks. Like this just feels very sticky. I feel like it drags on my skin, and as you get older, you don't want stuff dragging your skin, you know? Again, I haven't blended it out, but it's not super pigmented at all. It is not easy to blend. It just feels like I placed a stick of gum on my cheeks. There's no color, like there's barely any pigment. I would probably give this a 4. I don't understand the hype about that. I do like to set my face a little bit on the T-zone area, so I'm just gonna set it with this powder. This one is the Jaclyn Hill times Robin, her mom. So they created this powder, I think, a few years back when she started her brand, which I think she's closing now. This powder, it's not drying at all. It has the slightest, tiniest bit of a glow. This reminds me of the e.l.f. Halo Glow, actually, the powder. I gave that one to my mom, actually. So I kind of miss it. I should get that one. I was using that one every single day. Love this one as an all-over face powder because it gives you a nice veil of hydration. I don't like a matte powder. Like this just gives you a subtle glow. These L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear blushes are all the rave. This one's in the color Desert Rose. This may be too dark for me, but it looks stunning. This blush is supposed to be a 24-hour soft matte finish. It comes with a mirror, which is really nice. Oh Lord, the pigment is there. This a freaking, like, it's too much. I feel like I punched in the face. Okay. Let's fix that. Okay, powder fixes everything. So very, very pigmented. Be very careful and very light-handed with that. It is beautiful though. The formula is stunning. I don't have a viral powder bronzer, but I just have the Maybelline City Bronzer. This is an oldie, but a goodie. It's all about the layering. For a full face, you always want a nice layer. That's cute. This bronzer is super nice because it's right in between a little bit of shimmery, like tiny bit of shimmery kind of. All right. Up next for eyes. This actually has been my go-to eyeshadow palette. This has been the only thing I've been using the past 3 years. It's Matte by Mario, Makeup by Mario. It's just easy, it's small, compact, has a mirror, beautiful colors, and you could do so many different looks with this one. I love to blend in these 2 shades on my crease, and I love to do just a very, very simple look. This is what I do for work every single day. It's the same big fluffy brush. I like to add this shade here. It's a little bit more of a chocolatey warm brown right over top of that. This is just such a creamy eyeshadow. And I am gonna take a little bit more of a precise brush, Morphe M433. This is a 2016 brush. And with this chocolatey brown in my outer corner to deepen that up a bit. It has absolutely like no fallout whatsoever. This here, circular motions right on my outer corners. So pretty and blendable, and I just love, love, love this palette. And with the same color here, and we're just going to add that, the inner corners here. This has been my fall go-to look, like a nice chocolatey brown halo eye. Oh my God. And then for the middle, I usually like to add a sparkle. e.l.f. little, this is the bite-sized eyeshadow in the color Cream Sugar. So creamy, so beautiful. Let's look at that sparkle. We're gonna layer on the color in the middle here just to give it a little bit more of a pop. And it's just gonna be a little bit lighter. I'd love to just go in with the chocolatey brown on my eyelashes. Here, and I love to just go right underneath everything with that, and it's just really gonna blow out the whole look underneath the eyes. It's gonna give you just a nice sultry smoky look. Love this brush for that. It is the best brush. I did my winged liner off camera because things got complicated here, but I just used the Rare Beauty eyeliner. For highlighter, non-viral. This is the Jaclyn Hill highlight, gorgeous color in Iced. How stunning that is. The packaging is to die for. It's not too gold, but it's beautiful and sparkly as it should be. When in doubt, glow more. Lastly, we got some lip oils. So we have the e.l.f. Revolver Lip Oils here. This one's in the color Jam Session. It's a beautiful burgundy color. It's a gorgeous, nice one, thick, beautiful. I'm just gonna do some lip liner. This is my absolute favorite lip liner from Bare Minerals. This is in the color Nude. So pretty and creamy. It's so nice. Pretty brownie nude. The e.l.f. lip oil. We're gonna be trying out the one in Honey Talks. Oh my God. That glided on gorgeously, beautifully, non-sticky. Definitely beautiful. Like, you guys, this is viral for a good reason. Lip oils here to die for. Setting spray is just the e.l.f. Stay All Night Micro Fine. My bottle is almost done and I need to buy another one because it's that good. It's just a beautiful fine mist. Oh, so good. Glowy and very beautiful. That completes my TikTok viral makeup products. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so yet. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.